Hello and welcome to the next build in the combination engineering crane. So this is kit A, the Excavator. So I have done these in back to front. These are the other 7 kits that are already in front of me. Cute little fellas, loving these sets. So we will give this a go. Slice it open, thank you. Sorry about that loud knife in the microphone. Instructions, thank you. Great little $2 kits. Pop all of this out before we get the stickers off the back. Okay, nothing left in there. These are stuck on with sticky tape. And I just want to make sure I get these off without tearing the paper. I have been successful on all but one of these kits where it decided it wanted to hang on to the paper and take it with me. Take it with it. So far so good. Alright. What we'll do is we'll get those out of the way in a moment. So let's have a look. Being that this is kit A, it does have instructions 1 to 12 of the 8-in-1 pack. I am building these small ones in this series first, and once I've got them all completed, which is this is the last one, I will also build the 8-in-1 like I have on the beginning of the video. So let's start off by just separating my colors just to make it easier to find things. Yellow being the predominant color of all of these kits. I've actually enjoyed these. $2 each. I was not looking for these. I just happened to be on holidays. Went to an op shop far from home. Unfortunately far from home because I can't go back and get another set of 8 so that I can have the big crane and all these cute little fellas. Alright, let's start with the first of the instructions. Hopefully this is easy enough to read for you guys. We want the 4, want a full axle, yep, and a 2x1 on the end. Okay, 4x1, front axle, or next axle. Okay, same as the previous kit that I did, it was about the same length. Right, a full size piece. We don't have very many in this entire kit that are full size. So when I say full size, it's three studs high, or 3 bricks high. These being this being a 1 stud. So we'll call it a full. That's how Lego has made it. Again, this is not Lego though. This is just a blatant copy of Lego. If you have seen my previous videos, welcome back. I am probably going to say the same thing that I said in the last ones, that okay, it's not a Lego kit, it is Panlost Brick, who is probably taking some liberties when it comes to some of the pieces. I mean, this is 100% what Lego designed or engineered probably years ago. The copyright is no longer held exclusively to Lego on building bricks, but my opinion would be that some of these parts would still exclusively be Lego's design and should, yeah, I don't know, I'm not a lawyer. How they get away with some of it, I know that Lego has taken people to court in certain countries. They've also lost in some cases, so which means which is the reason why you see so many more of these brick pieces available. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, that piece and a single. Yep, okay, cool. But these are a lot of fun. and they're cute. Now I would say that majority of this could be made 100% out of actual Lego if you had bits and pieces, because all these parts, there was a couple on the bottom of this one with the green and the circle I've never seen before. That doesn't mean Lego didn't design them, it just means I've never had a kit that had them in it. Alright, so we want a piece across there, and we want sticker number 1. Okay, start with the top corner then, thank you. There we go. Alright. Faces, I'm guessing the back. Oh, that went slightly crooked. And now we're going to have a static attachment. Okay, that's good. Alright. And a square at the front. These are cute. 4 of these studs that have no stud on it, actually. They're smooth pieces. Okay. Where do we want those? Okay, on either side of the front there. Okay. And then we want a 2x1 and 2 1x1s that we build on top of each other. Okay. And it goes across there. Alright, and then the ball joint at the front. Very cool. Alright, we want the window, which goes on this side. Okay, and there is a sloped one brick, and it goes there, but it has a sticker. Sticker number 2, which is going to be that direction. Vertical, not horizontal. When I mean vertical, not horizontal, I mean because it's got a pattern on it. Very good. Okay, yes. One of these and a clear piece fits underneath. Thank you. Oh, it's going to have a sticker on it as well. Alright. Sticker number 4. Air vents. Okay. Oh, another stubborn corner that doesn't want to separate. We wheel that in though. Thank you. There we go. It looks like the curves go to the back. Alright, cool. And we want one of these pieces, the one with the ball joint. Okay, with one of those. And sticker 1 that says work. Work something. Don't know what that says. Underneath the word work. Whoops. Come on, you can do it. Go straight. Alright. Stickers are all done. Yes, they are. Cool. Alright, that goes there and there. This will be another shovel. Sorry, I'm doing that off camera trim far there. Yep, that's right. Okay, cool. And this one with 2 pieces. I wonder why 2. Give it some sort of pattern. Okay. What we can do is there. Articulate. Cool. Very good. And then we snap it on the front. Bring it up. Like that. And we get to put the wheels on. Making sure the pattern is on the outside, not on the inside. Alright, there we go. So, pretty cool. I mean, they're cute. They're incredibly cute. This one doesn't have any tail light, unlike some of the others. But as far as a kit of 8, see if we can just back up some of these guys. Pop them in the end. There you go. All 8 are built. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see all 8 get turned into the 8-in-1, keep an eye out for that video, which won't be too long. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Cheers. Bye.